Good afternoon. I was working on another project. I have a grinder set up. Turned the grinder into a tabletop grinder. Watch my other channel for details on that. Somebody questioned whether the titanium nitrate coated high-speed steel drill bit set was carbon steel or not. So since I had the grinder out, I thought I'd give it a try. Luckily I broke one of them, so I don't have to sacrifice a drill bit. So I'm just going to clamp that in a vice grip, start this up and give it a shot. As I think it should have. There's an update on the titanium nitrate coated drill bits to see if they're carbon steel. I'll show the evidence, you can decide. If you like my videos, please like the videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.